Freebie Cash. In 3 steps, this brand new software enables us to create $248 daily without selling anything but giving away free stuff, and builds huge engaged subscriber list on complete autopilot without paid traffic, without creating products, without any selling. The features of Freebie Cash, it's brand new automated software based on cloud. Get paid by giving away world class done for you products for free. Zero product creation, content creation or work required. Let the software work for you 24/7, 365 days. Create multiple income streams on complete autopilot, and has 100% free high quality traffic generation built in. 100% beginner friendly, 100% satisfaction. Get for paid for helping people. Zero maintenance cost, affordable monthly subscription. Pay once, fast proven results. Get see results within an hour of getting started. Save thousands of dollars if you invest today. Now only $17. This is a one-time investment. Want to see results like this? 3 simple steps is all it takes with Freebie Cash offer. Step 1, select done for you freebie offer. Select one of our world's class done for you freebie giveaway. Step 2, add your affiliate link, and your affiliate link or so the additional product we recommend on the back end gets you paid. Step 3, click go to generate viral traffics and sales. Watch your profits and list explode as your free information helps regular people. This is all executed on simple autopilot by Freebie Cash, so you can build your list and make money 24/7, 365 days without any traffic generation, product creation, or selling. Making money online doesn't get easier than this. Freebie includes 100% done for you giveaways that solve common problems. Your prospects will love you for giving them free help. Drag and drop opt-in page creator, so you can build your email list faster than speeding bullet without the need for any technical expertise. Easily ramp things up by adding your own freebie product should you wish to help even more people in multiple niches. Automatically generate commissions and sales through automated funnel when recommendations are purchased. No selling required. Get hordes of hungry visitors flooding your giveaway pages simply by clicking the mouse to launch to automated traffic generation tool. The simplest way to make money online, period. From the desk of Sean and CA, making money without having to sell. Dear struggling marketers, forget everything that you have been through about making money online, because there's a good chance that you have been lied to, just like I was lied to when I first started online. Every course or method that I brought into told me that in order to make money online, I had to sell something, and the thought of being one of those sleazy sales guy, gripped me. You see, I know that people hate to be sold. I had to sell something, and the thought of being one of those sleazy guys gripped me. You see, I know that people hate to hate to sold too. I had to sell something, and it takes special kind of person to push a sale up front, knowing that 99% of the prospects they approach will reject them. That wasn't me, and probably isn't you. But fortunately, I figured out way to get paid over and over again by giving prospects what they want. High quality information for free without having to push a sale, write a sales pitch, or recite any sleazy sales speak in 2 minutes. And in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to explain you everything. Have you ever walked into a mall and seen a food store giving out a free sample? Unless you have been living under a rock, I do guess you have. This practice is pretty much commonplace worldwide. If I go into the biggest shopping mall in the city, there's one particular food store that is handing out free samples day in and day out outside the store. Why do you think they do this? It certainly isn't because they are happy to give the food away for free with nothing in return. That wouldn't make business sense. Well, happen to know why, because the manager is a friend of mine. For every 100 people that the store hands a free sample to, 25 to 30 of them will go inside the store and purchase a product. That's it. Will go and purchase a product. That's a 25 to 30% conversion rate versus a 1% conversion rate on the whole football, because most people follow Robert Clarence rule of reciprocity, which simply means that humans are wired to return favors and give back that we have received from others. You know what happens when you give something and don't ask for anything in return? People want to give you something back. I have seen this time and time again. Have you ever brought something for a friend and had them practically begging to give you back the money? I have numerous times. After reading Robert Clarence's book and knowing the success that my friend had giving away the free food samples at stores, it got me thinking that perhaps I should stop trying to sell online and see what happens. So I did this experiment. I slapped a price of $0 on an ebook that I am pretty unsuccessfully trying to sell for $17. As I mentioned, my mentors had convinced me that in order to make money online, I had to sell something, and that's why I created a $17 ebook. The ebook was great, but it wasn't really selling. In 3 months, I made a handful of sales, which barely covered my hosting costs. So I decided to screw it. It's not making any money anyway. So let's give it away. I had a couple of affiliate links inside the ebook information products that the supplement that what I thought. I also offered some optional upsales with the freebie, and I was blown away with the results. After struggling to make 3 figures in 3 months selling the ebook, I was experiencing 3 figures pays me day $2,357 simply by recommending upgrades to the people who have opted in for 100% free information. The upgrades were 100% optional, but people trusted my recommendation because I had given them so much value for free. And sure enough, Clarence's rule of reciprocity was working just as well online it was offline. One can do this, but it's not easy. The reason my giveaway worked as well was because my ebook provided excellent information. It wasn't something I thrown together in 5 minutes. In fact, it took me few months of blood, sweat and tears to write the book. And sure enough, after giving people such a huge quantity of information for free, many of them have a burning desire to pay you back. As well as the high quality ebooks also needed multiple upsides that complemented my information, a website for my landing page, hosting for my landing page, software to create all the pages, software for banners, targeted traffic. That's why I said about creating a software tool that would automate everything and enable me to set up campaigns. So don't have to create your own products. We give you world-class done for you giveaways. Find a suitable upsells. We give you proven upsells for each giveaway. Write sales page. We give you high converting landing pages. But software to create a landing page, we give you the software to create them. Create a website or buy hosting. We host all your pages for free. Pay for traffic. We have free traffic built into the software, which means you are can experience results like this even if you are a complete beginner. So to get a free ebook, send me a copy of payment screenshot to my Instagram ID by logging into the link given below. Check out the link below in the description, website link below in the description box for more videos. Like, comment and subscribe this video. So without paid traffic, without creating products, without any selling.